Buyers start forming an opinion before they reach the kitchen, so the first 30 seconds of your showing matter more than most sellers think. The first 30 seconds of a showing can shape the whole tour. A showing doesn't begin in the kitchen, it doesn't begin in the primary suite. It starts at the curb, the walkway, the front door, and the first breath inside. That sounds dramatic, but buyers are emotional creatures. We all are. We make quick reads. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and today we're talking about how to make buyers feel at home in the first 30 seconds. The exterior sets the expectation. Buyers start judging before they step inside. Focus on the walkway, front door, lighting, seasonal cleanup, planters, house numbers, and entry hardware. Make the approach feel cared for, not overdone, just intentional. The showing starts outside. Then comes the first sensory moment. Fresh beats fragrant. Smell creates instant emotion. Avoid heavy candles, plug-ins, sprays, pet odors, mustiness, or anything that feels like it's covering something. Clean, ventilate, handle odor sources, and keep scent neutral. Fresh is the goal. A clean smell builds trust. Next, buyers need to visually land. Give the entry breathing room. A crowded entry makes the whole home feel smaller. What to edit? Shoes, coats, mail, keys, bags, pet gear, extra furniture, and visual clutter. Create a simple landing moment. Clean floor, good light, one warm detail. The entry should say, "Come in," not "Good luck." Once they're inside, the eye needs direction. Create one clear first view. Buyers shouldn't walk in and feel confused. What to frame? A clean sightline, a warm living area, natural light, a styled console, or a view towards the best room. Stand at the entry and ask, "What do I see first?" Then improve that view. Control the first visual story. And finally, make the home feel easy to move through. Remove friction from the first path. Awkward movement creates subtle discomfort. Check door swing, rugs, furniture placement, narrow paths, lighting switches, and where buyers naturally walk. Walk the first 30 seconds like a buyer. If anything bumps, blocks, or distracts, edit it. Easy movement creates ease of mind. If this helped, watch The Quiet Reason Some Homes Feel More Expensive next, because that video goes deeper into the details buyers feel before they notice. And if you want a design-informed pre-list walkthrough, book a consult through the link in the description and pinned comment.